Hello everyone, I'm Monica. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply Bootstrap styling in React app. Okay, first coming to what is Bootstrap and why it is used means Bootstrap is a popular CSS framework that helps us quickly build beautiful and responsive websites. Okay, it provides ready-made CSS classes and components like buttons, cards, grids, typography, and more. For better understanding, I am giving one example to you. Like think Bootstrap like a ready-made furniture set for a home. Okay, instead of building a chair or table from scratch, means writing our own CSS in our app. Okay, Bootstraps gives you stylish furniture, means pre-styled components into our app. Okay, that we can place wherever you want in your house, means here house refers to our web page. Okay, it saves it and looks great and is super efficient to use and looks also. Okay, now we will see the what is Bootstrap first? Okay, you can observe that this is a definition. Okay, Bootstrap is like a ready-made design. I already told you. Just see this once. And next, why do we need Bootstrap in React? Means when building website, we want them look professional, responsive, and clean. Okay, for that kind of styling, we need Bootstrap. Okay, because it provides us a ready-made furniture like stylings to our app. Okay, now how to add Bootstrap to our React project means we have two ways. One is installing Bootstrap in our project, and second one is adding a CDN link to our index.html page. And this is the first one. Okay, first we need to install Bootstrap using this npm install bootstrap command. Okay, let me install it. Go to your project folder and then there type npm install bootstrap. Okay, it is installing. Within this time we will see other one also. After installing via npm, import bootstrap css in our index.js or app.js app, which provides styling to our project. Okay, this line must be used to apply styling to our project, because this line telling React like please use Bootstrap CSS in this project. Okay, this line refers to that purpose. And next, coming to second process, using CDN, add this link in our public. We in our project we have one folder named public. Okay, this is the public folder. In this, we have one index.html. Within this index.html, we have head part. Within this head part, like this, using the link tag, we need to include that CDN link here to apply the Bootstrap stylings to our project. Okay, this is the second way of adding Bootstrap styling to our project. Okay, for example, means you are very beginner and you don't know what is the Bootstrap classes and all. We have one official website also that tells complete guide and documentation about all the Bootstrap classes and their purposes and all. Okay, it explains each and every component with examples also. You can learn Bootstrap using this link also. Let me show it once in the browser also. Go to browser and it is showing. Okay, it is showing all styling related options here. Okay, you can see all the classes in Bootstrap and the description and the possible values used in the classes and all. Okay, you can learn from this site. Okay, these are all the Bootstrap classes that are related to color. Okay, like this, you can go through all these classes and learn how the Bootstrap contain all the classes and their purposes and using this website. Okay, if you don't know a single thing about Bootstrap, you can go through this and you can learn easily by using this link. Okay, and we have Bootstrap common classes. I have already included some most commonly used Bootstrap classes in here also. Okay, now coming to first one, layer down spacing. Okay, Bootstrap helps control spacing with margin and padding utilities. Okay, now first coming to padding here, this is the margin related values. Okay, M for margin. This will provide margin at four sides also. Here MT means margin top, MB means margin base, and MA. Like this, we have all the margin related values here. Now coming to padding, here P applies padding at four sides of our web page, and this is the padding top, and this is the padding end, and padding start and padding end, and padding at x-axis and y-axis. Okay, like width and length. Okay, add space inside the element. Okay, now coming to second component, class text classes. Okay, text classes are related to control alignment, color and style of the text. The name is still saying us to this is related to the text. Okay, first coming to text alignment, we have three kinds of text alignments values. One is text start. Okay, it aligns the text at the left side of the web page, and text center means it aligns the text at the center of the web page, and the text end means it aligns the text at the right side end of the web page. Okay, now coming to text colors, here we have multiple colors for this. Text primary means it is a primary color, that may be a blue color. Okay, text success means it's a green color. Text danger means it's a red color, that is used to show any errors like that purposes. Okay, now text warning means it is a yellow color. It is useful when showing the warnings. Okay, like this we have multiple text colors here. And now coming to here, text styles. Okay, FW bold, italic and uppercase, lowercase. We have one more also. Text capitalize also. Okay, now background color classes. Okay, that are useful for adding colors to the background. Okay, there are multiple colors like text colors also. Here the difference is, there we are using text hyphen primary, here we are using bg hyphen primary. Okay, like this bg color classes are used. And next coming to buttons, Bootstrap provides us a pre-styled buttons. Okay, button classes. Oh, first class is button, this is the base class. And then if you want to make your button colorful, like whatever the color you want to give into your buttons, okay, that is given by this button primary, success, danger, warning, like that and all. Okay, now you can also customize your size of the button also. Okay, you can make it as a small and also large. And now coming to cards are flexible content containers. Okay, basic card structure. Okay, this is the basic card structure. Okay, and the card contain the values like use card body, title, and card text to style. Next, coming to containers. First, what is container? Container means it is like a home, like a home. Okay, within this container we have multiple components like multiple rooms in a single home, like that. Okay, this is the container. And types, we have container responsive and fixed width. And next we have container fluid class. Okay, it contains full width. And here container breakpoints. Response with specific screen stages like mobile screens, minimized versions and all. And next coming to grid system, rows and columns. Bootstrap uses a 12 column grid layout. Okay, basic grid. This is a example for a basic grid. And now this is the syntax how the row and column attributes are used. Okay, row wrapper for all the columns. For each page we have 12 columns grid layout. Okay, all these 12 are wrapped within one row. Okay, here column n refers to the number of columns out of 12. You want 3 columns, you can put col hyphen 3. If you want 5 columns, calls like space, you can use col hyphen 5. Like that you can use this grid system. Next, flexbox utilities means helps align and position elements. Okay, common flex classes here. Deep flex is one thing. Turn container into a flex box, like arrange all them into a row. Next, justify content center and justify content between and align items center. These are the some more classes about the flex box utilities. And next coming to display utilities, change how elements appear. Okay, here common display classes are D block. It displays the content in a block, and D inline for D arrange the content in a line format. D flex means it arranges all the content in a row way. Okay, next D none. This makes our component invisible, means this is mainly used for hiding the element. Next, borders and radius. This is used for adding the styles to our borders. Okay, these are the common border classes. Okay, now next thing is alerts, used to display alert messages. These are also same like colors. Okay, if you want a success alert, you can use alert hyphen success here. If you want to show anything warning alert, in that cases you can use alert hyphen warning here. Okay, let me explain with one example, and we can also see the variations in that example also. Here the bootstrap is installed successfully. Next, what is the next thing we have to do here means go to index.js. Here you need to import this class here. Okay, in the index.js, because we are using bootstrap by using npm installation. Okay, so we need to import this line in the index.js. Okay, next we have to go for app.js. In the app.js, I have written one example here. Okay, that contains the styling of Bootstrap. I will explain one by thing here. Here, container. Div uses the container styling. Here, empty 5 means margin top at 5 pixels. Okay, now here class name. In the HTML pages, we are using class for attribute, but here we are using class name because in the JavaScript class is a predefined keyword, so fixed keyword, so we did not use the keywords of classes in our JSX, so we need to use the class name instead of class here. Okay, now this is the class name text center, and that text class should be text primary and margin bottom should be 4, and this is the card related styling like card body and card text, and this is the simple example content I want to display in the web page. Okay, let me run it once to display the output, and we can also see the variations by adjusting the colors also. Let me run it once. npm start here. Okay, first we will see the output, and then we can modify all these text alignment related and text color also here. The server is starting now. Okay, here you can observe that here text primary means this is the blue color. Okay, here we are used danger. Okay, button danger. So it is visible in red color. Okay, here we are using one cart. Okay, this is the cart content. Okay, this is the cart. Now we will modify some code in this page. Okay, now I want to change this text primary to text success and button danger to button warning. I want to warning. Now it should display one. This is in green color and this is in yellow color. Okay, let me see this styling is applied or not. You can observe that here previously text primary, now text success. Here button danger, now button warning. Okay, like this the Bootstrap classes are used in our React projects to apply styling and make our project very professional and responsive. Okay, this is all about the React styling using Bootstrap. Thank you.